Hi, my name is Sylvia Lin. I'm a listing agent for this lovely single house in Livingston, address 49 West McCline. I will take you to take a look inside and just a little bit. But before we do that, let me show you the beautiful street for this house. And also look at this yard, and it's beautiful front yard and side yard. Livingston have it's a very nice town. We have a good school system and have a bus, Midtown Direct bus to New York City, and they're all very close to this house. And also very close to town center. This is the back of the house with nice patio, and the yard all the way up to the trees. As I stated before, it's close to town center, which pretty much you can work there for a restaurant and shopping. Here's a nice walkway. Now we enter the house. Once we step into the house, you can see this is a very nice living room, larger living room with a larger window. Here's the coat closet. Dining room with door to the backyard. Open kitchen. Nice counter space. You can sit down here eating your breakfast. And nice cabinet. Downstairs, laundry room with sink, toilet, utility room, nice window. Family room with cross space to store all the stuff inside. This door go to garage. Let me open the garage door so you can see the garage size. Second floor, we have a 3-bedroom. As you can see, all hardwood floor. Linen closet, updated bathroom with tub. First bedroom with a closet. Second bedroom with closet. Third bedroom with closet. Go back to the living room, which is a very nice, cozy house and beautiful street, as I mentioned that before. Hope you like the tour, and if you have any question or would like to schedule for a personal in-person tour, please feel free to call me. My cell number 201-981-8140, and I will happy to answer your question or meet you at the house to give you a personal tour. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.